In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline stroke to text in Polotno Studio. First, open your browser and go to studio.polotno.com. This is the online editor we'll use, and it runs right in your browser, so there's nothing to install. Give it a moment to load. If you already have a canvas set up, great. If not, the default blank canvas works just fine for this tutorial. Now make sure you have a text element on your canvas. If you've just added one, perfect. Click directly on the text to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and the text editing controls appear. If your click selects the background or another layer, try clicking precisely on the text characters, or zoom in a bit for accuracy. Keeping the text selected is important because the next options only appear when the text is active. With the text selected, look for the effects controls. Depending on your screen size, these usually show up in the top toolbar or in a context panel on the side. If you don't see effects right away, check for a tab or a small icon labeled Effects or something similar. Again, these controls are context aware, so they only become visible once the text is selected. Inside the effects options, find text stroke. In some versions, it may be called outline. Click to enable it. If there's a toggle, turn it on. The moment you activate it, you should see a thin outline appear around your text on the canvas. Now let's customize the outline so it fits your design. Start with color. Choose a color that contrasts well with the fill of your text and the background. A dark outline around light text or a light outline around dark text is usually the easiest to read. If your background is busy, a high contrast outline helps your words stand out. Next, adjust the thickness. You'll typically see a slider or a numeric input for stroke size. Move it gradually and watch the canvas update. Too thin, and the outline may be hard to notice. Too thick, and it can overwhelm the letters or make them harder to read. Aim for a balance where the text remains crisp and legible from your typical viewing distance. If you're designing for small screens, consider a slightly bolder stroke for clarity. Take a final look at your text at different zoom levels to confirm it's clean and readable. That's it. Go to studio.polotno.com, select your text, open effects, enable text stroke, and fine-tune the color and thickness to match your style.